There's our first mouth, and the second mouth we want to draw. So this is where we use this show previous, and actually you have to be in drawing mode for that. If we didn't have show previous on, so you wouldn't be able to see the original beak, so it's kind of nice to have that as a guideline. Zoom in. Outside color was black. Okay, so his mouth should be slightly open here. That should be about it. And I looks one a little more open. Okay, and then this is kind of an F sound for G. And X is pretty much like the original one, so I'm going to copy the original one. Actually copy the drawing itself, there's a difference. I just did Command C, Command V for copy and paste there. And the extra mouths we don't really need.